Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with Rooftop, February recipe, and we are making our Chicken Fajita Soup.
I'm excited.
This is awesome.
I'm excited. I like chicken fajita soup normally.
You're a soup person. She made soup for lunch too. Double soup day for us. It's also like almost 9 o'clock at night, so this is like a late night cooking sesh. No problem. We got everything prepped. So we're gonna follow our instructions. If you don't have a calendar, comment or let me know, and we'll make sure to get you one so you can follow along recipes with us. But this, first things first, heat olive oil in a large pot. Pretty big. I'm wearing my Los Pollos Hermanos apron today.
Yes.
I know. I love wearing different aprons. Hang on, it's you didn't even, she doesn't even measure. It's a tablespoon of olive oil. That's about right. All right, so we're gonna turn that on. Heat that oil up. And then we're going to add bell peppers and onions and saute for 3 minutes. So here, I'll take the bell peppers. So the recipe calls for 2 bell peppers, about 3 cups. I picked red and yellow because it felt festive. So, you know, so we're going to just dump them in.
Yeah, go ahead.
Diced into 1/2 inch. Oh, that was fun. Here, you can take that. And then onions. It said yellow onions, but we went with Spanish onions because fajitas. There we go. All right, so we're going to saute that for 3 minutes. I like to saute with a spoon. While we're sauteing that, we're going to get our garlic ready. We need 4 cloves of minced garlic. It is sauteing. Oh, I hear it. Do you remember Yan Can Cook?
I do.
He used to say it's not stir fry, it's stir fry. So you got to keep the food moving. I wonder if WCNY will ever pick us up and give us our own show.
I don't know.
If anybody knows anyone. Or maybe like just Nick Stellino will come over and he'll help us.
That would be better.
That would be better. And in the summer we can have Franklin over and do some barbecue. Or we can have our friends over at White Thunder Barbecue pop over. Because he's local. Yeah. Probably less of a drive for him.
Yeah.
Listen to that sauteing. I wonder where the word saute originates. Wow, look, this is sauteing fast. Did I turn the heat on too high?
A little bit.
I think we're going to have a fire. Okay, now we're going to add our, what did we say? 4 cloves of garlic. And we like the jarred, minced. Oh, it smells good.
Quicker.
Yeah, that's a lot of garlic. Get the liquid in there too. The liquid's the best part of the garlic. Oh yeah.
We'll just do a little extra for good measure.
Little extra for good measure. Little bad measure for good measure. How do you like that? I made that up just now. All right, so 1 minute, and then we're gonna add in our chicken broth. Okay. It says low sodium chicken broth, but as everybody knows, we don't do that. It says 5.5 cups. But I think those were 4.5 cups, right? Or that's 4 cups?
That's 4, so we would do...
Like a little bit of the next one. Here, Tom Cruise it. Go up higher. 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 Tom Cruise it. Tom Cruise. It's like, ooh. Oh. All right, so that was 4 cups. Oh, look at it. It's starting to look like soup. Mainly just because it's liquid. We need what? Another 1.5 cups?
Yeah.
All right. And then we get to adding our spices. Chicken fajita soup, we're going to add some spices.
That's all right.
There we go. All right, so our soup's going. Now we're going to add our spices. So we're going to start with chili powder. 4 teaspoons of... Wow.
That's a lot of chili powder.
4 teaspoons of chili powder.
Okay.
It's going to be spicy. 1. Look at that. I should stir too, right? 2.
There you go.
3. Oh, yeah. 4 scoops. Okay, now we need ancho chili powder, which they didn't have at Wegmans, but I think ancho chili is a relative to nacho cheese.
They're cousins.
Get it? Ancho chili, nacho cheese.
Family.
Ancho family. So I got 2 other kinds. I got hot Mexican chili powder, and I also got chipotle chili pepper.
Let's try the hot Mexican.
Okay.
How much?
That would be 1 tablespoon. Look at you go. That's a lot. Oh my, wow. 1.5 teaspoons of ground cumin. And then 1.5 teaspoons of paprika. That's this. I don't measure the way she does. I just do this. That's good. Paprika. That was about a teaspoon and a half. Ish. Yeah, it's fine. And then oregano. 3/4 of a teaspoon of oregano. I know we don't have a 3/4 teaspoon. What kind of people do they think get these calendars? Who has a 3/4 teaspoon? Oh, I guess you could just use the 1/4 3 times.
That's true.
That's what you're doing, right?
Or the 1
1.5 times. That's confusing though. But this smells good.
It does.
Or you could dig the 1 teaspoon.
And just fill it 3/4 of the way.
Sure.
That's, yeah.
Okay, and then we're gonna season with salt and pepper. And I'm so excited because we got new salt and pepper shakers. And we're just gonna, yeah?
Yeah, looks great.
Yeah. Then we're gonna stir this up. We're gonna add 1 pound of pounded chicken. So we're gonna cook the chicken in the soup. Is that sanitary?
Yeah, as long as it reaches the internal temperature.
So we need a thermometer?
A meat
Can we use
thermometer.
one of those like forehead ones on the chicken? Well, we're gonna have to because I think that's all we have. So
This is gonna be loud.
do we have to pound it? Get it? Pound it. All right, chicken. Mmm. Ooh. Put that right there for you.
It's pretty thin already.
Yeah. I'm trying to dance. Did you splash yourself?
Yes.
Did you splash yourself? Oh, gross. This one's bleeding a little bit. She really hit that one. And then we're gonna bring it to a boil.
Okay.
So should I turn the heat up?
Yes.
All right. Turn heat up to high. Mm-hmm. Look, it looks like it's already cooking. Wow. Doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Huh, that's fast. Okay, so chicken has been boiling in here for just about 10 minutes. It looks like it's done. So we're gonna just kind of scoop, try to get the peppers not in there. Just kind of scoop the chicken out of the pot, put it on a plate. We're gonna let it sit on the plate for 5 minutes, just so it can kind of keep cooking a little bit. Then we're gonna cut it into strips, and then put it back in the soup. I wish I counted how many pieces of chicken. Chicken's so slippery. Well, I'm sure when I stop scooping up chicken, that's probably the last piece, I hope, right? Professional cooking tips. When you put the spoon in and there's no more chicken, that means that was the last piece. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, it's like fishing. I wish I had a fishing pole for this. I dropped it in again. You know, a fork would be way easier.
The boiling water.
All right, so those are going to stay. Now, while we're waiting for those to kind of, what do they call that? Cook. We forgot to add an ingredient in when we put the chicken in. We had to put a can of roasted diced tomatoes in. So
they're in there now.
yeah, so rewind, pretend we did that. They're in there now. To reduce to medium-low. Let chicken rest 5 minutes. We also, while the chicken was going, made some white rice, long grain white rice, per the instructions on the packet. We made about a cup of white rice. That's going to add in after we put the chicken back in. Okay, so Joyce, phenomenal job cutting the chicken into little pieces. This says strips. We did cubes because
it's kind of hard to eat strips on a spoon.
yeah, strips don't belong on a spoon. Okay, so we're going to just kind of add this back into our soup without splashing everything, all the hot liquid. No one wants to get splashed with hot liquid. That'll be in the blooper reel.
That's a different kind of movie.
La, da, 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 da. And we have to stir in the rice. This is not going to go well.
I can put my spoon in
Yeah,
there.
put your spoon in there and dig out the rice. Oh, it's hard.
Yeah, it's been sitting a little while.
Oh, is that bad? That's what you said about the hard-boiled eggs. Can I do anything to make this easier for you? This seems really awkward.
Well, yeah.
Do you want to hold?
Yeah, it'd be easier if I...
Black beans, rinsed and ready to go. I'm not even going to wait for you. I'm just going to dump them right. Beans, the musical fruit. Can Can you believe this is your husband? Rice. Now we're gonna add in our beans, cilantro. Here, quarter cup chopped cilantro. Oh, it smells so good. We're gonna put some lime. Oh, geez. Okay, limes. I can't get my limes out of the bag. Why can't I do this? Gee. I can't find the hole. Okay.
I'm just trying.
Oh, sorry. All right, a little bit of lime. We're gonna do it again. There it is. All right, I'm gonna Salt Bae that lime into the. Oh, it's so splashy. Always keep paper towels nearby. This is done. Everything's in. Now you serve warm. I thought it said serve with warm cheese. That sounds gross. Serve warm with cheese and sour cream if desired. So we're going to go ahead and dish this. We're going to try it. We'll let you know how it is. Okay.
Really good.
Oh, yeah. Amazing.
Awesome.
Delicious. Definite. Try this.